Lesson 148, Prepositions with the accusative case. So far, in our study of prepositions, we've learned that the genitive case can show that things are moving away from things. The dative case shows that things are staying in one place. But Catherine, what about the accusative case? What can we use the accusative case to express with prepositions? What does it do?
So often when the accusative case is paired with a preposition, it indicates motion toward something. So the genitive, motion away from, the dative, no motion, just staying still, and then the accusative, motion toward something.
And in the pictures here, we see our cat moving toward the house.
Mm-hmm.
And so in ancient Greek, we have a preposition that means to. And when we start to see that in a sentence, it's going to take the accusative case. So it will say to ton oikon. Of course, ton oikon is accusative. And also the preposition that means into, that also shows motion toward something, right?
Mm-hmm.
So that one also will take the accusative. So into ton oikon. And so now, like with the genitive and dative, now you know two ways to use the accusative case. One, as a direct object, and two, as the object of a preposition. So over the past few lessons, we have given you a big, broad sort of way to look at prepositions as they interact with cases. When it comes to prepositions, here's the good general rule to keep in mind. Prepositions with the genitive, generally speaking, show motion away from something. Prepositions with the dative generally show something that is staying in one place, staying still. And prepositions with the accusative case show something moving toward something. So genitive, motion away from. Dative, something staying in one place. Accusative, something moving toward something, or what we just call motion toward. So these are the big guidelines that we want you to absorb in this last section of the book, the section here on prepositions.
Exactly. The larger framework. And then that framework can be used with individual prepositions as our listeners go forward.
And it's not going to be perfect. It's not going to explain every use of every preposition. But this is a great way to get started as a beginner. It's a great framework to have in mind as you start into the world of ancient Greek. It'll be a good, like training wheels on a bicycle, something like that.